안녕하세요 여러분. 저는 한국어 선생님 아흐mad이라고 합니다. Today our chapter is chapter number 7. Kindly watch complete video because I will explain everything in chapter number 7.
칠과
Chill is 7 and gua is chapter.
여기가 사무실이에요.
Yogi ga samushil. Yogi here. Ga is actually Korean particle, and if your last letter is vowel, then ga, you will attach ga. If the last letter of your word is consonant, then you will add e. Samushil is office and EAO is to complete sentence. So yogi ga samushil EAO. Here is office.
대화 1.
Theva is conversation and il is number 1. Conversation number 1.
여기가 사무실입니까?
Yogiga here samushil office. Imnika is used for asking question. Here is office.
네, 사무실입니다.
Ne is yes. Samushil office. Imnida used to complete the sentence with answer. So samushil imnida yes. Here is office.
화장실이 어디입니까?
Hwajangshil is restroom and washroom. Odi where? Imnika asking question. Hwajangshil odi imnika. Where is washroom?
저기입니다.
Chogi is over there. Imnida. Yes, over there. Now we have ohvi. Ohvi is vocabulary. Changso. Changso is places. Yogi here. Chogi over there. Khogi is there. If you are watching and in front of you there is something, so this is khogi. If you are only telling about the location, then chogi. Odi is where. Havesa company and workplace. Samushil office. Hwajangshil washroom. Shikdang restaurant. Chib is home. Ki suksa is dormitory. Se thakso laundry shop. Mi yongshil hair salon. Shijang market. Math is mart. Pyeonijom convenience store. Supermarket is supermarket. Now the Korean particle e and ga. If your word end with a consonant, then you will add e. If the last letter of your word is vowel, you will add ga. Samushili odi imnika. Samushil office. Odi where. Imnika. Where is office? Khogi imnida. There. Over there. Yogiga here. Ki suksa is dormitory. Imnika asking question. Here is dormitory and room. Ne. Yes. Ki suksa imnida. Yes, there is dormitory and room. Chogi is over there. Supermarket is supermarket. Imnika asking. There is supermarket over there. Anyo no. Pyeonijong. Pyeonijong is a little store, convenience store. Imnida. No, there is a convenience store. Yonsep is practice. Now the answer is Chib, Havesa, Hwajangshil and Samushil. Practice number 2. Phogi. Phogi is example. Hwajangshil. We will add e and ga in these questions. So the last letter is real. So we must add e. Hwajangshili. Odi imnika. Where is washroom? Shikdang. The last letter is consonant. Iyang. So we add e. Shikdangi odi imnika. Where is restaurant? Se thakso. The last letter is vowel. Se thaksoga. Odi imnika. Where is laundry shop? Yogi, the last letter is vowel, so we'll add ga. Yogi ga. 시장 market입니다. Here is market. 편의점, the last letter is consonant, so we add E. 편의점이 저기입니다. Over there. 대화 number 2.
대화 2.
여기가 기숙사예요.
여기가 here 기숙사 your room 이에요 is. Here is your dormitory and room.
이건 기숙사 열쇠예요.
이건 is this thing. 기숙사 your room 열쇠 keys 예요 is. So here is your room keys. So these are your room keys.
감사합니다. 그런데 저게 뭐예요?
감사합니다. Thank you. 그런데 by the way, 저게 is that thing. 뭐예요? What is that thing?
가족 사진이에요.
가족 사진. 가족 is family. 사진 is picture. 이에요 is. So that is my family picture. OV number 2 vocabulary. 물건 is objects and things. 열쇠 keys. 가족 사진 is family picture. 가방 bag. 지갑 wallet. 여권 passport. 우산 umbrella. 거울 mirror. 화장품 cosmetics. 핏 is brush hair brush. Hair dryer is hair dryer. 베개 pillow. 이불 blanket. 문법 grammar 예요 예요. This is expression you can use at the end of your sentence. The meaning is am are. This is like imnika and imnida. But imnika and imnida format is most respected format and yeyo is daily life normal format. Ige is this thing. Moyeyo, what is this thing? Yolse is keys. Yolse yeyo, these are keys. Choge, that thing. Moyeyo, what is that thing? Ibul is blanket. Yeyo, that is blanket. Egon, this thing. 화장품 이에요. This is 화장품 is cosmetics. 네, yes, 화장품 cosmetics 이에요. Just these are cosmetics. Number 1, 이불. Number 2, 여권. Number 3, 우산. And number 4, 가방. Now we will complete the sentence with EAO and YEO. If the last letter ends with consonant, then we add EAO. If a vowel, then only we can add YEO. Okay. Now, Hogi is Ige Moyeo. What is this thing? 화장품 EAO. The last letter is consonant, then EAO. These are cosmetics. Ige Moyeo, what is this thing? So this is Yokwan. The last letter is Yokwan Nian. This is consonant. So we add Yokwan Eyo. Ige Moyeo, what is this? This is Chigap. Chigap, the last letter is Biap, consonant. So we add Chigapieo. Choge moyo, what is that thing? You'll say the last letter is double vowel, so we add only yeyo. You'll say yeyo. Ige moyo, what is this thing? This is pege. Pege, the last letter is vowel, so we add only yeyo. Pege yeyo. Yogiga odiyeyo, where is this place? Kyoshil yeyo, this is classroom. Ige moyo, what is this? Computer yeyo, this is computer. There is also some vocabulary like rinse is conditioner, shampoo is shampoo, pino is soap, chitsul is toothbrush, chiyak is toothpaste, sugon is towel, myondogi is razor, huji is tissue paper, and cop is cop.
7과 EPS 토픽 듣기
Chilgwa is chapter number 7.
1에서 3번
1에서 3번 number 1 2 number 3 question number
들은 것을 고르십시오.
Thirn gosal, thir is listening and got is object. 고르십시오. Select.
1번,
여기,
1번 number 1. Yogi here.
2번, 시장,
Number 2. Shijang. Shijang is here. Number 3.
3번,
베개,
Pege. Pege is at number 4.
4에서 5번.
Question number 4 to 5.
다음 그림을 보고 알맞은 것을 고르십시오.
다음 next 그림 picture 보고 watch and almajan best 대답 answer 고르십시오. Select.
4번,
1,
사무실,
1 사무실. Number 1 office.
2,
세탁소,
세탁소 laundry shop.
3,
화장실,
화장실 washroom. This is our answer.
4,
기숙사,
기숙사. 기숙사 is dormitory.
5번,
1, 지갑,
지갑. 지갑 is wallet.
2, 여권,
여권 is passport. This is our answer.
3, 이불,
이불 is blanket.
4, 거울,
Kowl. Kowl is mirror. The next is ilki. Ilki is reading. Question number 1, 2, 3. Now next krim picture pogo watch. Majnan and almajnan is the same meaning. Better. Thano is word. Korishipsho select. This is chip. Number 2 is Shijang market. Number 3 Hwesa company, and number 4 Math is mart. Picture number 2. This is Setakso. Setakso is laundry shop. Myeongshil is hair salon. Pyeonijom is convenience store, and supermarket is supermarket. Picture number 3. This is Usan umbrella. Ebul is blanket. Yolse is keys, and Kabang is bag. Question number 4 and 5. Pinkan is blanks. Thorokhal is go inside. Go to the blanks. Khajang is the most. Almajan better. Causal object. Korshipshu kindly select. Yogiga dash imnika samoshil imnida. Yogiga odi imnika. Our answer is number 3. Onje is when. Nugu is who, and Musan is which. Question number 5. Choge dash yeyo. Kajuk sajan yeyo. Choge, what is there? Kajuk sajan family picture. Yeyo, that is family picture. Chogega mo yeyo. Our answer is mo. Mo is what? Ve is why. Changso is place, and Nara is country. Thanks for watching.